Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes the other day, we ended up talking about the idea of self-made men or self-made women. People who've basically built up huge business empires from scratch, from nothing. People who don't come from privileged backgrounds, but who've managed to make a lot of money. One student suggested that maybe Donald Trump or Elon Musk could be described as self-made men. This was met with much ridicule by a couple of other students who pointed out that they both come from money. They come from very wealthy families and that basically they've had everything handed to them on a plate. Yeah. At various stages in their lives, they've been given a leg up by their families. If you're given a leg up, you're given help that gives you an advantage over other people, or that helps you do something very difficult, very hard. It comes from maybe this idea when you're climbing a wall. If there's a high wall and you have a friend who can help you, you can ask your friend to kind of put their hands together like this, and you put your foot here on their hands, and this gives you a leg up to help you get over the wall. It's this idea. So maybe, the loan from your wealthy parents might give you a leg up when you most need it in various stages of your life. If you listen to tech people who are constantly trying to sell you new apps or new gadgets or new forms of technology, they'll often tell you that the technology they're trying to sell you will give you a leg up on the competition. And maybe if you're bringing up your children bilingually or even trilingually, speaking 2 or 3 languages from when they're very, very little, you're doing so in the belief that it will give them a leg up in the world. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use get a leg up or have a leg up or give someone a leg up.